Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play DVDs on a MacBook Air. Many newer MacBook Air models do not feature a built-in DVD drive, which means you cannot simply insert a disc. But don't worry, playing your favorite movies is still very possible. We will walk through the simple process of connecting an external drive and using the right software to enjoy your DVD collection. To begin, you will need an external DVD drive. Apple's own SuperDrive is a popular choice, but many other brands offer excellent, affordable alternatives. Look for a drive that connects via USB. Newer MacBook Airs typically use USB-C ports, so you might need a drive with a USB-C connector or a small adapter for a USB-A drive. These drives are generally plug-and-play, making setup straightforward. Once your external drive is connected and the DVD is inserted, your MacBook Air should automatically recognize it. The built-in DVD player application will often launch on its own. If not, simply use Spotlight Search to find and open DVD player. For more advanced features or broader compatibility, consider free third-party software like VLC Media Player, which supports many disk types and formats. A few tips for smooth playback. Some external drives might require more power than your MacBook Air's USB port can provide, especially with certain Mac chips, so check for a powered drive if you encounter issues. Also, remember that DVDs often have region codes, meaning a disc from one region might not play on a player set for another. Commercial DVDs may also have copy protection. If all else fails, converting your DVDs to digital files is another option.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.